Hello everyone, I'm Scott Aubrey. I'm the owner of Aubrey Law. We are an estate planning and probate law firm, and I'm very excited to be here with you today. And today's topic is, what would an estate plan look like for a single person? But before we get started, if you have any questions about what I talk about today, or any questions about estate planning in general, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free, either in person or by the phone. So once again, if you have any questions, or even if you want to get started creating your own estate plan, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and choose a time to talk with me for free. So today's subject is, what would an estate plan look like for a single person? I think a common misconception is that single people don't need to worry about estate planning. I think that's probably not really accurate, and I really think that everybody should do some level of estate planning. It doesn't have to be very complicated. It can be just some simple documents that will really protect your own interests, as well as protect the interests of the ones that you love. So the first two documents that I think you definitely need to have is a healthcare proxy and a durable power of attorney. And these two documents are something that come into effect while you're alive. And what it allows you to do is allows you to name a person that you trust to make important financial or medical decisions on your behalf if you're unable to do so. So this allows you to name the person that you want to make important healthcare decisions on your behalf if you can't do so, or has the power to help attend to your financial affairs. So this would be if you're unable to make certain decisions, then this person can pay your bills. They could sell property if need be. Whatever powers you want to give them to manage your financial affairs, you're able to do so in your durable power of attorney. You also want to have a HIPAA authorization, and that just allows the release of private medical information to your healthcare agent. So it's another document that you want to make sure that you execute as a single person as part of your estate plan. And then the other document that you definitely should consider creating is a will. And what a will does, it allows you to name a person that will be responsible for settling your affairs after you die. And that person will be responsible for probating your will if necessary, taking care of transferring your assets to the people that you want them transferred to. And importantly, what a will does is it allows you to direct where you want certain things to go. So if you're single, but then you may live with someone else even though you're not married, and you want them to have that house after you pass, you want to make sure you have a will that does so. Because if you're the sole owner and your significant other is not on that deed, is not an owner of that property, when you die, that will not pass to them. It will pass to a relative, because the probate laws do not really account for significant others. They really just pass assets on to people who you are related to. So if that's a situation that's important to you, and you want to make sure that that property goes to someone that is not a relative of yours, then you need to have a will to make sure that that will be accomplished. And you can do that with the will. So to kind of recap, what an estate plan would look like for a single person would be, you need to have a healthcare proxy, a durable power of attorney, a HIPAA authorization, and also a will. So that's just the basic estate plan for a single person. Obviously, you can add other estate planning documents into that estate plan, but you don't have to. So you could create a trust if you feel that's necessary. If there's some other things that you want to do, but that's something you can talk about with an estate planning attorney to see if a trust is right for you. But the basics are just a will, a healthcare proxy, a durable power of attorney, and a HIPAA authorization. So that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment. I'll be happy to answer them. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you know someone that could benefit from seeing this video, please share this with them. Once again, I am Scott Aubrey. I'm the owner of Aubrey Law, and I will talk to you soon.